Hello, and today we're going to start a new lesson. We're talking about how to make your mom happy. Here we go. You're going to listen to this, and then I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
There are
Okay.
many things you can do to make your mom happy. Like what? Firstly, you can help your mom with housework, like washing dishes
Okay.
and cleaning the house. Secondly, you can buy her a gift, like a new dress or even some flowers. Thirdly, you can say sweet words to her, like I love you or I cannot live without you. Finally, you can prepare for her something to eat or drink. But the best thing you can do, or the best thing that can make your mom very, very happy, is when you study hard and behave nicely. Now, let me ask you some questions. Ritej, what can you do to help your mom with the housework? What can you do?
I can wash the dishes or clean the house.
You can wash the dishes and clean the house. Very good. If you do that, you will be a very good girl. Omar, what can you say to your mom that
I
can
can
make her very happy?
I can say here I can say to
To
her
her,
sweet words, uh,
sweet
or
words like what?
I love you, or I can't live without you.
Like I love you or I cannot live without you. Ahmed,
Yes.
what can you buy for your mom as a gift? If you want to give your mom a gift, what can you buy for her? I can.
I can buy for her a rose or or a chocolate.
Chocolate. You can give her a chocolate. Very good. Do you think it's good to make your mom happy?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, for sure.
Yes.
Okay. What other things can we do to make your mom really, really happy?
We can make her something to eat or
And drink.
drink and
Very
drink.
good. Very good. You can tell your mom, okay, mom, I will make you a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, or I will make you some orange juice. If you want to make your mom happy, you can also stay quiet at home. Don't make noise.
Yes.
Yes.
When
Yes.
she's sleeping, you need to be quiet because your mom is a human being and she also needs to relax. That's all for today.